Yes, the TriWiches go into the front. Put it in, rotate. And those you tighten. Is the blue bar all the way through?
Yeah.
Then that's okay. You're good. That just looks good, doesn't it?
Yep.
Okay. Having safety blocks would be good, of course, right?
Every time.
Yeah. That actually looks really good.
See, it comes up. I feel it when it touches down.
What's that?
I feel it when that back corner touches down, it puts more pressure on this one.
We'll get those nuts corrected, but oh yeah, you can see it tilting. It's okay, keep
See,
going.
you hear it touch? The back end just touch.
It's kind of cool. You can see it actually moving towards you.
Back corner's off again.
Yeah. So then that's your indication when to move back to the other side. All right. Again, these things are rigid. They don't bend.
Hear it touch? Now it's pushing up again.
Are you looking for the other corner to go up a bit or what?
Yeah, so it's starting to come off.
So now that one goes up? Looks pretty stable. How's your jack angle look? It looks really good over here. You actually see the height of the TriWiches. It looks like you're higher than me. Yeah, I think we're up. If you rotate the wheels right now, it'll flip up. No, the wheels. Rotate the wheels. Yeah, that's it. No, all the way. It'll be natural.
This way?
Yeah. Have to go down a little bit. There you go. Okay, we just finished lifting the jacks. You pin the tires and tighten the tri-lugs after we did that. can't believe it. That tube doesn't normally go there, but yeah.
On the back?
Yeah, these go in the back. Yeah, it's okay, so we've blocked everything, chocked it. We'll get some better chocks in the future. But that's what it looks like. We took the jacks off.
Alright, start going off.
You ready? I think we can do one side at a time. You don't need to do, this doesn't have to be in parallel. Or you want to make it in parallel.
I would like it to be. I think it'd be better so it doesn't want to fucking take off. We just gotta watch it, hey, slowly, together.
Together!
Easy, easy. See
So
where
I
we're
would-
going at.
Okay. It's bobbling. How you doing?
We gotta go together, slowly, evenly. There we go.
You watch the levelness. I can't really see it with the camera as well.
We're looking good so far. We just don't want to get it squirrely.
I'm watching the wheels in front to see if they're chalked properly. Is the one over here chalked?
Huh?
Did you chalk the front or
Yes.
the back?
Not the other way.
I think got them backwards here.
Why? It's gonna roll this way.
No, it's going to go forward.
How do you figure?
It's downhill, you think?
It's like this.
All right.
And I chalked the front and back on this side.
Yeah, well, that's probably what I'm worried about. I guess it won't go.
How high do we have to go?
Are you level?
We're pretty close.
Well, we can put this thing in now. I'm trying to think of how high. You want to try? Okay, next we put the spindles on. So we jacked it up just enough. We're going to tighten the bolts. Want me to get the guys from Canada on the phone?
For what?
You seem to have this all figured out. Do you have any questions? Pretty basic. So I had 15 AT&T engineers in a room, and they called me for training, and they got on the phone and said, "Damn," they looked at it and they figured it out. We don't need any training. It's like, yeah, it doesn't take much to explain this thing. Yeah. Lower the wheel down. All good? Got the spud. just pick it up and rotate it up. It'll fall in position if you rotate it up. You want me to? Again, it's not going to come out, so. You good?
Yep.
Okay, let's go get the. Okay. Keep going. Stop. That looked really good. It was pretty stressful on those casters, but that's good. Hey, John, when you do go reverse, go very slowly. There is a small, but I think we're okay. So pulling all the way. Sweet. There's a black, you see her black car?
Yep.
Slowly, slowly.